YouTube family. It is 8:40. We're getting a little bit of a late start this morning. It's 63 degrees and partly sunny this morning.
Yeah.
So we were letting some of our stuff dry out from last night, like our raincoats and all that kind of stuff. Tents are dry this morning, so whoo, it's nice.
After I ate that McDonald's, I slept like a baby.
He did sleep all night, even though we had that generator thing right next to us and it was loud all night. I loved it. Rick, not so much. He was not a fan. So what do we got today?
So we really don't know. Like maybe 15 or so. We're gonna break up today and tomorrow, so that way we just Nero into, what's the casino? Miccosukee. We're gonna Nero into there so we have more time to resupply and
get all of our town chores done, charging all of our stuff, doing laundry, all that kind of fun things. You got anything else for today?
more canal and locks day.
That's what we got in store. Rick, you got anything?
Nothing from this side.
Nothing from that side. All right, let's go.
Floating on cloud nine. Do you feel the winds are turning round? Cause what goes up must always come back down. But I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line. Side, I'll be fine.
It's 12:50, a little past lunchtime. We were looking at Far Out, and there's a restaurant called El Pirata. That's just a 5-minute walk off the side, so we're gonna go check that out, see if we can find some shade and chill out for a little while.
All right, we're back on trail. Just left lunch. It was a Cuban food truck called El Pirata. Kevin and I had pizza. But yeah, what time is it?
2:20.
2:20. It's about 76 degrees right now, maybe 77. It's hot, it's sunny. Rick's deployed the umbrella to keep the sun off him. Very smart. And yeah, we have about four-ish miles to go for the rest of the day.
Yeah, early day.
It is going to be an early day, but it's nice. It's going to be nice.
Definitely
Get
worth
to
the
relax.
stop.
Oh yeah, for sure. We were debating if we were just, there's like this, I wouldn't really call it a park, but just this nice grassy area. We weren't sure if we were going to just sit here and hang out, you know, a little bit, take our shoes off, or walk the 0.2 to the food truck. It was definitely worth walking the 0.2 to the food truck. So anyway, we're gonna keep going and we'll be back later.
Gonna keep you near, 'cause you're all I need, my dear. Do you feel the winds are turning round? What goes up must always come back down. But I'll be safe in your arms, like a light in the day.
Here's our spot for the night. It is 4:53. This guy right here. Yeah, so this is the area. We were thinking about going down there next to the canal, but I don't know if my knees can make it down that steep hill. And also too, we want the nice breeze that's up here, so because it is pretty hot. It's still about 76 degrees. It is cloudy. Is it supposed
14.6.
Is it supposed to rain?
No.
It's not supposed to rain, but it does look pretty cloudy over there. We finished at 14.6 today. So what do we have for tomorrow? We're going to the casino tomorrow, like we said, and it was 22 from where we started, so math will be done right there.
It's a mile off trail.
Anyway, we're gonna get set up right now.
6.7, 7.7 tomorrow.
6.7 tomorrow, and then an extra mile to the casino. So we're gonna get set up, like I said, in case it rains on us. We don't want to get wet. All right, so we're wrapping up the day. We're in our tent, all set up, ready for bed.
Maybe in like an hour, 2 hours,
Maybe.
3 hours. It
Yeah.
did sprinkle on us, so we did get set up in time.
Yeah, there's a little bit of rain that's just on the outskirts of us, so it's not bad right now. But
Rick, you got anything for the tubes?
Nope, it's hot today.
Rick says it was hot today.
it was hot today.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Oh no.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna wrap it up.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow for a super short day to the casino.
Bye.
Good night. Wish us luck.
'Cause what goes up must always come back down. But I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line with you by my side.